Snow, snow, snow. My train too. See here, it's about 6 inches deep. 4, 6. Winter Wonderland. Now it's got about a foot drift, not more. This is the bad boy we're fixing to go play.
A little jumper cable hanging behind him, and that was Eric. That was
That's
Eric.
how bad the wind blows.
Getting out of here. Have a good show. Thanks. Thanks, Jack. Thanks for coming and visiting us. And let's see. Let's talk about our sponsors today. The great sponsors to bring you the car show, All Reds Automotive on South Harrison and Redan over there in Stone Mountain, Braco. 18 locations all around Atlanta. Been in business 23 years to serve your brake needs. And the Atlanta Home Show and the Toro dealers. The night's game tonight has been canceled. Also, the Atlanta Speedway Slick 50 race is postponed until Monday at 11. They will try to run the motorcraft.
What's up?
Nothing.
Where's everybody at?
I don't know.
How you like the snow?
I hate it.
You hate it?
My pumps. My school shoes.
You need you some boots, man.
There's one right.
Where's Barry at?
Barry?
Cameron!
There it is, Holmes.
I was
Hey.
just about to house like that.
This is Megan. Tell
Hey,
him
Megan.
I'm just the one that needs to be on TV too. Tell him you're a silly girl.
Yeah.
Say I'm a silly girl. What?
Nicholas is not in here. Knock the snow off your boots.
Oh, he's all right.
Yeah, I need my...
Whoa! New dent too, girl.
Close.
In or out? Shut the door. Barn to barn.
Yep. What is that?
What is what?
Here we have Captain Crazy.
Is it
I don't know.
sock?
Part of your sock.
My sock.
This great weather or what, man?
Man, I
I
love
could
it.
deal with this every day.
I love it.
Here, drink.
Hey, get him with the snowballs.
Right.
Burn down. They don't make too good.
I know.
It's dry.
Don't know why. I'm fixing to get it.
All right now. Yeah, slick out there.
But you have one.
No way.
Why didn't you bring what's his name?
Who?
The little kid.
Tyler? He's gone to Alabama with his mom. He'd love this though.
Let's see if I can make the snow more. Very.
watch you nail him with a snowball.
This.
It's a big one.
Ice. Snow's gotten deeper and deeper. Here it goes. He'll come through here and he'll start turning his spin to it after that. Turn your wheel, Barry!
Well, it's a lot slipperier than it was.
I bet.
Must be my tires froze or something. I can't get no traction. This morning I could go all the way up to their third gear wide open.
Oh, really?
Big difference.
Hell, it's just damn cold as shit.
I can't see.
Make an angel.
Commissioner of Public Works for the City of Atlanta. We're going to switch over now to News Radio 640 WTFP's Howard Gunner for a quick update on how the road negotiations are going. Howard's been out and about.
All right, we're now on Interstate 285 from Memorial Interchange. We're going to Spaghetti Junction. We have come from
Tree down on our track.
road up I-85.
We're now at Cooper Lake, railroad tracks.
Extremely treacherous. We've noticed quite a few drivers.
Looks like a beautiful sight.
Going different faster than we are. The more we go around here, and they're learning basic law of physics the hard way. It's something that most of the tenants stay in motion in this straight line. And to this thing, take it very easy. You absolutely have to be out. Otherwise, stay home. Live Friday, Howard Gunner, News Radio 640 WGSP.
Look how fast that water's
Providing
running.
updates half hourly throughout the afternoon, and as situation warrants throughout the weekend. In the Storm Center, live Don Dornberg, News Radio 640 WGSP.
This is
Well, the snow and high winds did not dampen the spirits of the faithful that make pilgrimages every 14th day of the month to hear the latest message from the Virgin Mary. Nancy Fowler of Conyers claims to see monthly visions of the Blessed Virgin, attracting large crowds from near and far. Rockdale County spokesman Reg Griffin says the blizzard has deterred locals, not out of town.
For the tour buses that came from as far away as New York and Florida and several other states around the southeast and around the country for that matter, were coming no matter what. They left mostly on Tuesday and Wednesday and were already on their way here. So a lot of folks here, we had reports overnight of people that could not find hotel rooms, that were sleeping in service station parking lots.
Griffin says organizers, along with the sheriff's office in Rockdale County, are advising people not to come out to Nancy Fowler's farm today. This ferocious winter storm is blamed for at least 7 deaths and has spun off tornadoes in Florida, dumping up to a foot of snow in the south and whipping up a blinding blizzard from the Carolinas to Connecticut. Authorities report 5 weather-related deaths in Florida, Alabama, and North Carolina. And even President Clinton had some words of wisdom for we Easterners braving the winter storm today.
trees falling on this telephone line. We're going
Channel today. He says a nice big snowstorm could quickly become dangerous, especially because of the high winds. News Radio 640 WGST time is 12:35, and let's turn now to the Weather Channel with a look at our official 3-day forecast.
The official 3-day Weather Channel forecast for News Radio 640 WGST. A blizzard warning in effect for Metro Atlanta today, as we are expecting 12 or more inches of snow and wind gusts upwards of 50 miles per hour. Temperatures will be hovering around the 33 mark before plunging down into the middle 20s. Towards night, middle teens expected. Still very strong.
See, Scott, if you need anything,
50 miles per hour.
you got a line down.
Snow showers, but after that, increasing cloudiness.
Oh, look at that tree.
Plenty of sun, still windy, but winds diminishing in the afternoon.
That's a tree in our yard.
Oh, is that y'all's
Look
house?
at this,
It'll be
right?
nicely clear and 18 overnight Sunday night. Heading on into work Monday, better days ahead.
Oh my God, we have a tree down in my front yard.
The Weather Channel Cable Network, I'm meteorologist Dan.
Oh, what if it hit Scott's truck?
A quick look at
No,
some of
yes,
the
it did.
crossings around the area. Cobb County Transit and MARTA are both up and running. They are not, however, on schedule, so if you do need the bus, it probably will be.
What? This thing's still rolling.
Yeah. Smash the button.
Huh? We won't film it real quick.
All right, I'll get a picture.
I'm trying to get out.
Got it!
When did it fall? Huh?
Just a second ago, I was trying to move my truck under the carport and I got stuck. I ran inside and the tree fell.
Oh, you got
Crawl around, Nick, through the middle.
I need some help getting this thing up. I want to get it in the carport.
No way.
Thing up in the carport.
Forget it. The tree fell while you was out here.
No, I was out here moving the truck and I came back in.
You heard it?
No, I didn't hear it. All right, y'all get over there and stand
It's
there in
just-
the tree.
It's just falling.
Y'all get and stand there in the tree. Go over there.
When did it fall?
Go over there, man. When did it fall, Scott?
He said just fell.
Huh? You're kidding. 5 minutes ago, this tree just fell in my front yard. Unbelievable.
All right, this is for the insurance company. Turn around, Nick. You ready? Cheers!
What took the wires down, too?
Yeah, the telephone's still working. It didn't snap it. See, it's on it, but it didn't snap it. Electricity's out. It's been out there.
He was just asking how long it rained before it get cold if you lost your power.
Down that big old tree.
Need to watch where we
Oh,
step
it's been
for as
out.
power
The power's
lines,
been
don't
out
we?
over an hour.
Camera on?
Huh?
Cut this thing on. Please. Cut it off.
It is absolutely scary out here. That's not a long walk, but I bet you it seemed like eternity going to Taco Mac.
Up the hill, 18 seconds to get back. The wind at our back.
Let's take a couple of these callers that are on hold here. Let's talk to Kevin in Lithonia. Kevin, you're on 640 WGSD. Hi, Sam. Hi, Jack.
Hi, Kevin, how are you?
Hi, I've got a question about a 87 Dodge Dakota.
Okay.
Those 4-cylinder, regular carbureted engine.
Right.
And when I set the clutch in the morning, you have to go out
There's
and
some lines
physically
now.
tap the pedal again, disengage it,
Right.
and it just, if not, it just will just keep revving until the engine will blow up or something. And I was wondering if there's anything
check out
you
this
can do
one.
to change that to make it automatic.
It's pretty.
Turn it into an automatic transmission, you mean? No, to make it. Make the clutch work. To go out there and physically, tap it down after the engine starts.
More camera on, get this sideways to the neighborhood.
Okay.
We'll try to get a little film capture of what's happening around here.
Let me make sure I'm getting this right
Yeah, you
now.
can show him the video.
You start it up, it goes into a high idle, and it stays there, and you can't get it to come down.
This is in the neighborhood
Physically, again on the pedal.
where we grew up at.
It's carbureted. Right. So is there anything you can do to make that automatic so that you don't have to physically go out there and do that? No. It's set up with a cam, and when the choke comes on a little left,
Right here.
Okay.
Right away.
Screw it up. Anyway, it sat for about a week, and I started it up, and it didn't have any oil pressure, and I sort of ignored it because I was in a hurry. And also,
Get your
I
horn.
had sensor problem several months before that, so maybe that's what it was.
Film.
I drove about 2 blocks, the engine locked up. Right. You lost the pump prime, is what you did.
Kill it.
I can't believe how thick it is up here. Great. Down this big hill.
Slide down next to
Let's go drive up to Finance.
Let's do
Climb the hill.
Oh, trees in there. That was a windstorm there. Big one.
That's why these two houses took down all their trees around their house. Just right here.
Yeah, they're on it.
Yeah, because they tornado took down a couple. They took them all down after that hit. Down the tornado hit here about 5 years ago.
The dog's all freezing.
It's having a blast. Our dog had a field day in this mess. Take her out. Sorry. Yep. Here, watch this car. Ooh, crushed it. Tree down Bob Dave Morse's yard. Crushed their shed in the backyard.
What are these stupid ass?
Had some furniture in it. It is no longer having crushed.
What the hell are you gonna do when you get to the top?
Been trying to get out? That was our problem a while ago. We had to go get some.
Drive back in this. This is what it looks like.
Are well stocked, so stay down here. You're down at the barn.
The day after. I get out here and spray my train off last night. 3 o'clock in the morning. See, all the ice is starting to melt. All the cars are cruising by because it's all ice. Ice everywhere. Big drifts. Thick, man. Dewey digging out from the day after. There you go. We got some good, probably 1.5 to 2 foot drifts on the side of the house over here. I didn't want to disturb them. There.
Dewey, you think it'll be out right here? Or you want me to go ahead and go up the driveway?
The problem right now is that the SMU lost, Xavier lost. They're going to take 3 out of the WAC, which was not known. Western Kentucky and New Orleans are going to get in. Those are all knocks on those bids for George Washington or St. Joe's. But I also think if Syracuse, Kansas...
He was a natty dresser even then.
He was, wasn't he?
He had to be because Pat Haley was not.
But he did not have the gray hair then.
No, he didn't. Well, he was getting there.
Is that right?
He was getting there. He's been using Grecian on us, John, for a while now.
Hey, you know what, too? They have some great players at Bowling Green then, didn't they?
Well, I'll tell you what. They had Thurman and Coleman. And Walt Pietkowski was there just before I got.
From the Weather Channel to tell us when it will finally be a thing of the past, Dan.
Well, it's already pretty much a thing of the past. Our weather not being affected all that much by it today, with the exception of some cool temperatures and the lingering snow. Now,
We have homes the day after, scraping out. What you think about
The
it?
day after. Still sticking now.
You ain't kidding, you can make a hell of a snowball. It's completely dry.
Oh my God, hey.
What you think about all this snow?
Now what you think about all the snow?
I like it. Makes it crunch as hell.
You can crunch whose head off?
Hey, don't that snow on me.
We're gonna turn you into a snow girl.
No, you ain't.
We'll cover you up with snow.
You got the bags under there.
Oh, they're in the shoes.
Yeah. Don't get her feet wet.
Oh.
So my pantyhose won't get my feet wet.
Your pantyhose.
Yeah.
To build a snowman?
All this stuff's gonna refreeze tomorrow. You
You
bring
ready
that tape?
It's in here.
Oh, really? You tape any more last night?
Do you
No,
need a bag?
didn't have no battery in.
Yeah.
You ready to build a snowman?
Yeah, me and Barry are. At least my hands are going to freeze.
All this stuff's gonna refreeze tomorrow. I want it off of here.
Sorry, it's gonna rain Tuesday.
Is it? I don't want to get caught in the ditch.
It's a lion snowman.
Is that your snowman?
No. At least I'm going to step on it.
You stepped on his head. Holmes is gonna demonstrate how to build a snowman.
But how do you build a snowman?
We're doing the bottom part right now.
Bottom part's sad. Where are we gonna pit it?
I'm gonna put it in the middle of the yard.
Good. In front of. That's where we're gonna pit it. Look it right there with some. Now
What you putting in your shirt for?
No. I'm gonna have to get the head.
We gotta build the middle part of the body first.
Right here. The snowman's head.
You got to build his body first.
I know, that's why I'm holding his head.
Oh, getting artistic
Is that
now.
all his body?
Put the architecture to it, man.
The glove falling off. Ah, my hand.
I bet your hands get cold.
Mama! What? This is about to fall off.
Down, 2 to go. That's full of rocks.
Yeah, this looks like Colorado, man.
Have to watch that. All the days from tomorrow at 8 o'clock. I forgot to upload my fucking camera. That's Cameron playing big time. He could have done a little better.
Snow? Are you making a hole in the snow?
What's that truck doing?
I don't know. It's deep snow, isn't it?
Some depot. Some sun.
What you doing? Is that a hole in the snow?
I hit my head right up there.
You hit your head when you fell down?
Yeah.
You making a hole in the snow?
Yeah.
It's gotten real icy. Oh! Here, walk over here. Walk up there and stomp down. Jump. Jump.
Whoa.
Go.
Whoa. That's a hole.
Stick your foot down in that hole. That's a deep hole, isn't it?
There's a mountain
Yeah, it's a mountain, isn't it?
on that hole. Apple. So many.
Tell Mark he should have came up. Tell Mark he should have came up.
He wouldn't have been able to make it Saturday. Go Steven. Missed out. Steven, catch the snowball.
Go over and roll around in it, Tyler. Hey boy, don't throw my snow around. Hey boy.
Ride your bicycle.
Can't.
How come?
Because it wrapped up in the sun. Can't ride it. Can't pull it. No stuff.
Hey, be careful.
You can't ride your tricycle?
Yes. Well, that's
Stick your foot in the snow, see how deep it is. Lisa,
Where?
can you stick it in there?
Come
Mark,
on.
catch!
Ah, just don't hit me with it. Ah!
Mark!
Mark.
Throw Mark a snowball.
Ah! Man, you wouldn't believe how bad it was snowing
We'll
yesterday.
have to plan it for next year.
Man, this is a storm once in 10 years here.
Get him now. He's still in. After he gets done, video on 420. All right, Keith. He'll be frostbite. My toes are cold. Come with mommy. Here you go. Cameron.
You need to go out there near the street. This is on.
Oh, baby, you get hurt in there.
This is on the side of the house.
Oh.
Walk out there to the street, Lisa.